Undunankulu wesifundazwe eLimpopo uthi abantu besifazane kumele baxwaswe noma bahlukunyezwe.
As a provincial government and as the people of Charlotte Maxeke, our contribution to honoring her legacy is to continue the fight against the exclusion and oppression of women.
Owengamele ezempilo esifundazweni eLimpopo Dr. uPhophi Ramathuba uthi abantu besifazane bayimbokodo futhi bayakwazi ukumelana nobunzima.
As women who are in medicine, women who are in the health sciences, we need to honor Ms. Charlotte Maxeke, who is the first woman to graduate, black woman to graduate with a science degree. We believe that she has paved the way for us.
Ngisho namaphoyisa omgwaqo abantu besifazane athi ikhona indlela zokuthuthukiswa kwayo imbokodo.
We are celebrating successes of women, not only in Gauteng or Johannesburg, but around the world, but also creating and educating the community in terms of road safety, crime prevention and bylaws.
Sikhona ke nesicelo esibhekiswe ngqo kumengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa sivela ebantwini besifazane.
We are asking the president to extend the vaccine rollout to under 35s as soon as possible, because we find that there are people under 35 that are ready to take the vaccine.
Usihlalo wesikhungo esibhekele ukulingana ngokobulili gender equality uThamara Mathebula uthi nakuba ubonakala umsebenzi osewenziwe kuthuthukiswa besifazane kodwa kusekuningi okumele kwenziwe.
I think there's still a lot of reflection and research that needs to happen that will look at gender transformation that still needs to be realized in the country.
Njengoba kuwusuku lwabesifazane nje namhlanje abaculi bakaMaskandi abafana bakaMgqumeni bebehambise ukudla emndenini emine edla imbuya ngothi leli qembu lithi liyafisa ukwelula isandla emphakathini njengoba kuyibona abayibonayo leyo mizi okulele kuyona ikati eziko. NginguCalvin Dludla wezindaba ze-SABC ngibika ngiseGoli.
SABC News celebrates Women's Month.